right. Hello, chat. Um, Let me make my little inspirational message just a tiny bit smaller. Hello. It is Thursday currently. I am a couple of days into my work, which is fun. I have been coding. Well, I haven't been coding. I've been having my ChatGPT slave code for me using the new codex, which has been really fun. Let's go in here. Did I merge this? Maybe I didn't. Um, mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That looks good. Yeah. Let me merge these. Right. So the whole like I've been at this project for a little while. It was originally just vibe coding it using the regular chat function a while ago. I don't even remember exactly when. So I wanted to. I always wanted to attack writing a proper grids AI for a very long time, right? Since I did it the first time around, right? And like 6 years ago, goddamn. Um, but I never got around to it, right? And I realized that I would never get around to it because I would have to recreate grids, or at least a somewhat stripped down version of. Oh no. Okay, there we go. Right. So I was simply just never going to actually make this a reality um, because I do not. Um, I don't. It becomes too big of a project at that point for me to take on, right? And that's just made it that I would never do it, right? But then, since this new codex thing came out like a couple of days ago, I was like, fuck it, let's give this a try. Because I wanted to see how well it could do, right? It was an experiment to see how good Codex actually is. I'm very impressed so far. Um, and then just like just making the game again is not um, it's not the part that I want to be working on, right? That would be just a prerequisite for being able to get to the part that I actually want to explore and become better at, which is the reinforcement agentic adversarial networks, right? Because that's always been very fascinating to me, and I want to know if because ever since OpenAI originally beat like the Pro Dota team, right? Like I've always been very fascinated about like letting these networks um, find like what emergent behavior can we extract, like what strategies can we observe from the emergent behavior that these AIs figure out, right? It's always been super cool to me, but I have never like been able to explore that on my own. Mostly because I suppose that I haven't thought that I would be like smart enough to fucking like, right? Like I don't know. Um, there's lots of things which I want to do in some on some level, but never do. Right? That's not unique to me. I think that's a fairly human thing. Let's play a game of Snake. Whilst I talk a little and think. I played a lot of Snake since the time I played Snake on stream. Um, it's fun at the same time. It's also not. Whoa. Um, like I have one like winning the game still feels like a big accomplishment, but not like such a big accomplishment that I like go crazy about it or something, right? Whoa. Whoa, wait, the fucking microphone was tight anyway. Oh god, I am messing up a lot here. It should be fine. Bada bing, bada boom. Yeah, this should essentially be a win from here if I don't fuck it up. I want to fuck it up a little bit less nowadays. Right, there we go, right? Should like be playing more on like rabbit speed. Or I should probably increase the screen size, right? But like the second screen is so much fucking bigger than the first one. It just takes so goddamn long to like win, right? Like it's at some points it's not particularly more challenging. It's just so tedious that like just following a Hamilton. Oops, I messed up. My finger slipped. Okay. All right, yeah. I mean, this is what we're supposed to be doing. I just wanted to play a little bit more Snake. Let me close down the music. I was listening. Oh. I spent 2 days comparing joules and codecs. I like save this here or something. That would be interesting. Fuck is. What game are they playing? Trying to figure it out. Playing Halo? Very confused. Anyway, oh no, I wasn't gonna click on it. I mean, I do want to sort of see it, right? LMs cannot reason. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know. Let's see here. Let me bring up this one here. I'm just going to my. This is my summer of production project map. GPT. I have my original Grids game information thing. I had a little calendar made, which was a bit shit, but it was fine. I haven't. Should probably print that out. I may fix that new. Currently, I'm primarily pursuing Grids thing, which is fun, right? Just a little thing. Yeah. So let me like. I mean, let's open up here. Let's open Visual Studio. Apparently closed that by mistake. If we now run train DQ and run for 50 steps, let me like do that more. Next steps, 50, sure. Number of episodes. Let's do like do like 50,000, right? Maybe we'll do even more. I don't know. It's like the thing is, like the amount of options the AI have at any given point is so goddamn fucking high that it is super unlikely that it'll like and like the likelihood of like you probably need to deploy some amount of heuristics. I should actually go and find my fucking paper to see if I wrote down my heuristics. Otherwise, I can hopefully find the original file and I can decode it myself. That could be fun. Where would that even be? I probably should look for it off stream in that case. I don't think that it is on the version that we deployed, or maybe it is. I do not remember. I do not remember if I actually deployed that version or not. I mean, it's doing stuff in the background. I will just let him cook. I mean, he just does. Right. I don't know. Right now, like, I don't have a good. I don't have a solid understanding of this, which is where we're gonna get eventually, right? I hope. I haven't, like, right now. I'm just trying to like get something to like work. Right. That's just the first step. Just to find something that like works or does something. If we can do that, then that's good. And then we can worry about like understanding it later. So I should, God, 'cause if I want to do it, I should. I'm gonna be rummaging through files. I don't think I should do that on stream in case I fucking leak something important. Yeah, I'm gonna expand this eventually, right, to include averages and stuff. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Yeah, I don't know if it'll. We'll let him cook for a while if he can actually, if he could beat my original AI that I wrote. Just heuristic bullshit. It was never. I don't think the AI ever completed the entire game because I just never like. I don't know. Did it even use items? I think it could use items at some point. I must have programmed that in. Otherwise, it would suck. I don't know. It couldn't look. Couldn't. Here. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Cool. Yeah. So I don't know. That's the reward here. It's just not doing anything right. It's fine. Yeah. So if I'm gonna die, I should just turn the stream off again. Which, I mean, I could like just be my face, but I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna go and have a look on my old Google Drives. It would primarily probably. I can actually go and grab an old computer as well if I want to look there. I still have the computer where I developed it. Could be sitting there somewhere. Hopefully. So yeah, I will hopefully be back when this thing here has done things, so we know if it's good or if it has seen any improvement at all. It's just doing random moves, right? And it's learning from them. It's fine. So yeah, I will hopefully be back on stream once I have found the old VSAI files and what should I say? And this thing's done. That's the goal. We'll see if I stream again. Maybe I won't. This was a super short stream because I realized, wait, if I want to do that, I need to not stream. So whatever. I'll maybe turn you guys on again later. Hope you have a good summer. I have the intention to stream a couple of times a week during the weeks where I'm like doing programming things, right? When I'm sitting in front of the computer, which I shouldn't do all summer, right? But it's better to vaguely produce things than it is to just play Slay the Spire for the entirety of the summer, which I could very easily do. And such. But yeah, I'll see you guys around later. Bye.